This is David Everest, Keeper of the Republic at yahoo.com. It's it's uppercase, and the rest are all lowercase, all one word. And my email address is keeper at the republic at yahoo.com, capital K, all lowercase, all one word. All right, I'm here to speak about my tort for government to government coordination over a takings implication assessment and who is the trustee of the valuable mineral deposit. Now, uh, if anybody knows Mark Levin or a good patent attorney, um, I would like to get their assistance because what I'm going to do is I have a magistrate, Mark D. Clark, and Judge Panner here in the Medford, Oregon U.S. District Court. I filed it here because that's where the court is. I knew that these guys, I'll never get a fair ruling from them. So I was getting a little more. I filed the case in there anyways. Now, Magistrate Clark, as a defendant in my case, he should have recused himself. Judge Panner should have recused himself, and they should have referred this to the U.S. Court of Appeals Federal Circuit in Washington, D.C., and they should have recused this court from hearing any of this. I was trying to get them to move it there to see that, but because they didn't see that. So um, he's recommended, Magistrate Clark has recommended uh, a dismissal of this case, and he's given me until the 28th of February of this year to file my motion of objection, and he wanted me to amend my complaint. Well, I don't have to amend my complaint. It's plain as day what I'm talking about. So I'm going to make a motion of objection. I've got it written. And I got the money to copy it. It's just getting the address to the Federal Circuit and the money to spend that out. And I'm in for Miss Pappas. But anyways, what I'm looking at here is if there's any good patent attorneys, mining law attorneys that has worked in the Federal Circuit that could give me assistance. Uh, I don't know if you'll get paid or not. It depends if we win. But uh, that 12630 executive order, I believe, was helped, assisted by Mark Levin. He would have been Deputy U.S. Attorney General uh, during the Reagan administration, during that period of time when it would have been written. And that would have been something he would have contributed on, I believe. It's based on a United States Supreme Court ruling of private property regulatory takings. Anyways, they put me in jail for 30 days. They took all my property. They denied me use and enjoyment of my mining claim, my township, my unincorporated city, and my mining district. And and I'm the controlling legal authority with home rule. Um, I would like to enforce it. I would like to prosecute the mining law to the full extent of the law. And this is involving a public-private partnership with environmental groups out here and economic development. And I can show you it in the record because I held hearings in Josephine County Commissioners, Board of Commissioners, and they agreed to government coordination. They're leaving it up to me to get the government because all they're getting is informationals. Now, Jackson County threatened to sue, and they caved. They're coordinating. They agree with me that Josephine County should be at those coordination meetings, and they say if mining districts are governments, came from John Rasher, Board of Jackson County Commissioners. So, and they've approved my minutes on government to government coordination at the Jackson County. So I would like to enforce the government to government coordination. I would like to enforce who the damn trustee is for the valuable mineral deposit, and I would like them to fill out the required form for a takings implication assessment. This is how I figure out my damages that they caused me, and then they have to pay me for an unintended takings of private property by the government uh, administrative judge, and Article 3 judges rubber stamping it. And that doesn't even get to the other cases I had that Judge Mosman up in Portland, um, I think he needs to retire very soon. And I think all these guys should retire in federal prison for attacking the mineral grant, a violation, a constructive trust of fraud. And there's this criminal and civil, and I need some help prosecuting it. Can I get any assistance? Can I get a special prosecutor? Give me help. And thank you. I'm going to monetize this for YouTube so I can try to raise funding for me. And if anybody can give me any assistance, my email address is keeper@therepublic@yahoo.com. And it's capital K, all lowercase words, letters. And if you send me an email, I can send how you can send any assistance to me. And I appreciate it. Thank you for that, and have a nice night.